Hickman Creations. Man, look at this. Big O Hemi going into a 1970s Charger. I'm going back into the body work room, looking over Eddie's shoulder at that 1970s Charger. This is so cool. Let's take a quick peek and see what, well, the metal fab guy, Keith Montgomery, is working on here. This monster will be sporting a 800 plus horsepower Hellcat engine. The chassis of this car is absolutely fantastic, and just giving you a quick look around at how this thing is getting put together. And yes, a Art Morrison chassis. This custom Art Morrison chassis is going to turn this, well, what was a unibody car into a full, wonderful chassis hot rod car. Mr. Keith Montgomery really did have to do a lot of work to get a custom fitment of the firewall, but he turned this thing out magnificently. This Charger looks gigantic when I'm peeking in through the rear trunk. Coming around the driver's backside, God, that just doesn't sound right. But there is Keith working on that interior. It is looking magnificent, wonderful, fantastic. Absolutely love how this is turning out. Be sure to look for my video in the near future of this magnificent beast. Thank you. Bye.